It's a part of our life that is gone.
This holiday season,
Ornaments going back to when we first got her, and
alligators still adorn Dave Greene's Christmas tree, but the living reptile that once nestled below it is gone.
I'm concerned that she's concerned.
Greene purchased the gator online around 2005 and named her Blackbeard.
She was about this big. Her head was about as big as my thumb. I just wanted her to have her own place.
Blackbeard considered this basement bathtub her den space.
You want to watch the Redskins game?
But had free range in Greene's 3-level Montgomery Village home.
It would be normal to watch the local news and have Blackbeard sitting right here, petting her head, rubbing her back, tickling her belly. That was almost every single night.
Blackbeard brought joy to neighborhood kids, loved basking by the fireplace, and even inspired Greene to develop a line of sports armor called reptile. The PR executive would occasionally drive her to his office in downtown D.C. too.
The entire building got excited.
Blackbeard pictured here at a Halloween party, part of a Game of Thrones costume, a pumpkin carved for her as well.
The police are just doing their jobs. The law is the law.
Greene does not resent animal control, but hopes an exception can be made.
They say a dog is a man's best friend. An alligator was this man's best friend.
In Montgomery Village, I'm Kevin Lewis.